In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get promo codes for Rush Royale 2023. So let's get started. So this is a game, as you guys can see. This is how the game looks like. And now how can you get codes for this game? So to get the codes, you have to go to your browser. So I'm gonna go to my browser. Once I'm in my browser, I'm gonna search up the game's name. It was Rush Royale, as you guys can see. So Rush Royale. Then you're gonna write promo codes. Once you have done that, you'll have to click on the first link right there. So now I'm gonna click on this first link which says ggreckon.com. So I'm gonna click on this link, and as you guys can see, it says August 2023. So these are the updated codes, so they won't be expired. So like whenever you enter a few codes, sometimes it says they're expired, but these ones will be new, so they won't be expired. So you're gonna click on the first link. Alright, so once you're on the website, you're gonna go down, and there you go. As you guys can see, these are the different codes of August 2023. So now you can just copy these codes or write them somewhere and then go into the game. Once you're in the game, you can type these codes and you're gonna get coins and stuff like that in the game. So as you guys can see, these are the rewards. So for this code right here, redeem this code to get the Plague Doctor emote. So you can get many stuff by redeeming these codes. Let's say you wanna see some other websites, you can just go close this website. And there are many other websites down, as you guys can see, so you can go search through each website and get the codes for this game. So alright guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.